सहना भवतु
ॐ सहना भवतु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
मा विद्विषावहै
मा विद्विषावहै
ॐ पूर्णमदः
ॐ पूर्णमदः
पूर्णमिदं
पूर्णमिदं
पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते
पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते।
आगामी वर्षे वृष्टिः भविष्यति। Are you getting? आगामी वर्षे, वर्ष means year, वृष्टिः raining, भविष्यति. I think you have already learned the Rit Lakar, future tense. भविष्यति, इष्यति, इष्यतः, इष्यन्ति, इष्यसि, इष्यथः, इष्यत, इष्यामि, इष्यावः, इष्याम. मम प्रश्नः, my question, सेनजी, त्वम् आगामी वर्षे कुत्र गमिष्यसि?
अहम आगामी वर्षे भारतवर्षं
गमिष्यामि
गच्छामि
गमिष्यामि. Okay. Again, सेनजी
जी,
त्वम् आगामी सप्ताहे किं खादिष्यसि?
अहम आगामी सप्ताहे फलं खादिष्यामि.
शोभनम, शोभनम. नरेश जी, त्वम् आगामी मासे किं करिष्यसि?
Sorry, Karishyasi, I didn't get that one.
Will do.
Okay.
Masa means month.
Month, yeah.
Karishyasi means will do. What will you do in next month? Okay, listen again the sentence. It will help you to answer. Tvam agami mase kim karishyasi?
Aham agami mase griham
Gamishyami.
Gamishyami.
Okay. Tvam agami mase griham gamishyasi. Okay. So adya mangalavasarah. बुधवासरे त्वं किं पठिष्यसि?
अहं बुधवासरे संस्कृतं पठिष्यामि.
शोभनम, अति शोभनम.
पठिष्यामि.
शोभनम. प्रकाश जी, श्रीमती जी, त्वं रविवासरे किं पास्यसि? पास्यसि, to drink. Any of you? So who is going to first?
Oh.
one of you. Prakash ji, yeah.
Aham Ravivasare Jalam
Pasyami.
Right.
Shovanam. Tvam Ravivasare Jalam Pasyasi. Okay. Shrimati ji. Tvam Agami Saptahe. Next week.
Aham agami saptahe Delaware nagare
Gamishyami. Delaware nagaram gamishyami. Okay. Shovanam. Kapil ji, tvam गुरुवासरे किं श्रोष्यसि? है ना, श्रोष्यसि,
सुनते,
to listen.
listen.
अहम
बृहस्पतिवासरे
गुरुवासरे ब्रह्मसूत्रम
श्रोष्यामि.
श्रोष्यामि. Yes.
Repeat it. श्रोष्यामि.
श्रोष्यामि. श्रोष्यामि.
त्वं बृहस्पतिवासरे ब्रह्मसूत्रं श्रोष्यसि.
श्रोष्यति.
शोभन, शोभन. ओके, रूपा जी, त्वं आगामी दिने कुत्र भ्रमिष्यसि? आगामी दिने means next days. कुत्र भ्रमिष्यसि?
अहम आगामी दिने ऑस्टिन नगरे भ्रमिष्यामि.
भ्रमिष्यामि. शोभनम. रंजना जी, आफ्टर दैट सरोज जी. रंजना जी, त्वं आगामी वर्षे किं करिष्यसि?
अहम आगामि वर्षे प्रवासं करिष्यामि.
किं करिष्यति? करिष्यसि?
प्रवासं करिष्यामि.
प्रवासं
करिष्यामि.
त्वं अद्य रात्रौ, अद्य नक्तं, नक्तं means tonight, नक्तं means night, अद्य नक्तं किं खादिष्यसि? What will you eat tonight?
अहं नक्तं पत्रं पुष्पं
पत्रं पुष्पं खादिष्यामि. ओके, शोभनम. शोभनम. लक्ष्मण जी, त्वं आगामी सप्ताहे किम आनेष्यसि? You understand आनेष्यसि, लक्ष्मण जी? To bring. What will you bring? Bring. नेष्यति to take, आनेष्यति to bring.
अहम
आगामी सप्ताहे
क्षीरम आवेक्ष्यामि.
आनेष्यामि. शोभनम. त्वं किं प्रक्ष्यसि? Okay, praksha belong to prashna, means what will you ask?
अहम किम प्रक्ष्यसि अहम न जानामि.
शोभनम. अहम किं प्रक्ष्यामि. रिपीट.
अहम किम प्रक्ष्यामि अहम न जानामि.
अति शोभनम. अति शोभनम. शोभनम. Okay, so the good man enters the house.
सज्जनं गृहं प्रविशति.
सज्जनः गृहं प्रविशति. He eats a meal.
सज्जनः भोजनं खादति.
सः भोजनं खादति. He takes away food.
सः भोजनं नयति.
Okay, सः भोजनं नयति. The good man speak the truth.
सज्जनः सत्यं
वदति. सज्जनः सत्यं वदति. You too speak the truth.
त्वम् अपि सत्यं वदसि.
त्वमपि सत्यं वदसि. You are a good man.
त्वं सज्जनः.
त्वं सज्जनः असि. असि. I am a bad man.
अहम
दुर्जनः अस्मि.
अहं दुर्जनः अस्मि. अस्मि. I do not speak the truth.
अहम सत्यं
न
पश्यामि. Sorry, वदामि.
Okay, Lakshman ji, loudly.
अहम सत्यम न वदामि.
अहम सत्यम न वदामि. I trouble the father and the good man.
Aham janakam sajjanam cha tudami.
Tudami. Tud. Tud to teach. The two of you are always playing.
Yuvam sarvat
Sarvada.
Freedom.
Kridatah. Oh, kridatah.
Kridatha.
Yuvam sarvada kridatah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think Naresh ji, now the two of you are studying.
Adhuna tvam patata.
Yuvam.
Yuvam patata.
Adhuna yuvam pathatha. Okay. Rajiv ji, you want to try? Where are the two of you eating?
युवाम कुत्र खादतः
Shobhanam. Yuvam kutra khadatha. Senji, try. Where the two of you are eating, there the two of us are also eating.
यूयाम कुत्र
Yatra, yatra.
यत्र खादसः
Khadatha. And there means tatra. Yatra tatra.
Yatra yuvam khadatah. Tatra avam api khadavah.
Khadavah. Shobhanam.
Khadavah.
Yatra yuvam khadatha. Tatra avam api. Api also.
Api.
Khadavah. Shobhanam. So now randomly anyone who knows the answer, give it. All of you are entering school.
Yuvam vidyalayam vishatah.
Shobhanam. Yuvam. Oh, sorry.
Yuyam.
Yuyam Vidyalayam Gachatha.
Vishyatah. Vishyatha.
Oh, Vishatha.
Vishatha.
There all of you see the teacher.
Tatra yuyam adhyapakam pashyatha.
Pashyatha. Tatra yuyam adhyapakam pashyatha. You bow down to the teacher.
Adhyapikam
Namatha.
namatha.
Yuyam adhyapakam namatha. Okay. I also see the teacher.
Aham api adhyapakam pashyami.
But also,
Aham
what is it also?
Api.
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 Ahamapi adhyapakam pashyami. Now I am also bowing to the teacher.
Aduna aham api shikshakam namami.
Shobhanam. Adhuna aham api adhyapakam namami. Shobhanam. When I bow to the teacher, then you also bow to the teacher.
Yada aham adhyapakam namami tada
Tvam
api
adhyapakam namasi.
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 Okay.
Yada
repeat, please.
Yada aham adhyapakam namami tada tvam api adhyapakam namasi.
Namasi. Shobhanam. Okay, so next time we'll do more. So we have already practiced this lot lakar. Just repeat with me. Say pathatu, pathatam, pathantu.
Patatu, patatam, patanti.
Pathantu.
Patantu.
Patha, pathatam, pathata.
Pathatam pathata.
Patatam, patat.
Pathani, pathava, pathama.
Pathani pathava pathama.
Okay, so till today we have done present tense, lat lakar, future tense, lit lakar, and imperative mode, lot lakar. Today we will learn one new lakar that is called Vidhiling lakar. What does it mean? Can you repeat with me? Say Vidhiling lakar.
Vidhiling
Vidhiling
lakar.
lakar.
The Vidhiling lakar said in English as potential mood.
Potential mode.
So what is the potential mode is when the meaning of the verb is used to express the wish of the speaker or some universal truths, also requesting something, showing the capability. Maybe these words are not so understandable, but the simple way to understand in English, where you are using should be, maybe, might be. So in Sanskrit, you have to use Vidhiling lakar. The another is can be, can. I can do, I should do, you may go, I may go. So there are 3-4 meanings are there in Vidhiling lakar. The another meaning of Vidhiling lakar is Vidhiling lakar also used as a substitute of lot lakar in a soft way. So that means whatever the meaning of lot lakar, sometime also we express same feeling through Vidhiling lakar in a softer way. In a softer way means in English also you use like this. You want to someone to go, please leave this place. In other way, if you want to say it in a softer way, you can say, I think you should go now. You should leave now. So you should leave here. It is the same wish expressed by lot lakar, but in a different way. In Sanskrit also same thing. So for that we use Vidhiling lakar. So Vidhiling lakar has so many expressions. So when we learn more, we'll practice it. You can write I may, I should, I can, I might, like this. So we will practice the suffixes et, etam, eyuhu.
Et, etam, eyuhu.
Once again, et, etam, eyuhu.
Et, etam, eyuhu.
Etam, eta.
Etam, eta.
Okay, again, when I am saying, listen carefully, wait till I finish. Ayam, eva, ema.
Ayam, eva, ema.
Okay, so now we'll use in verbs. So this is the verb chart. Repeat with me. Make sure there should be no background sound coming. If it is coming, mute yourself. Pathet, pathetam, patheyuhu.
Pati,
Pathetam, patitam, patheyuhu.
So pat plus et, pathet. Pat, etam, pathetam. Pat, eyuhu, patheyuhu. Okay. So next is Madhyam Purush. Pathehe, pathetam, patheta.
Pathetam, patheta.
Patitam, patitat.
Patheyam, patheva, pathema.
Patheyam,
Pateyam,
patheva,
pateva,
pathema.
patema.
So pathet, balakah pathet. What does it mean? The boy should read.
Read.
The first meaning. The second meaning, the boy can read. The third meaning, the boy may read. Come to the second. Repeat. Pathehe, pathetam, patheta.
Pathetam, patheta.
Tvam pustakam pathehe. You should read a book. Yuvam pustakam pathetam. Both of you should read books. Book. Yuyam patheta. all of you should read books. So here I am using this with the meaning of should. So now repeat, Patheyam, Patheva, Pathema.
Pateyam, Pateva, Patema.
So here I can take the meaning of can. Patheyam, I can read. Patheva, we both can read. Pathema, we all can read. So the chart is here in front of you. So now make some sentences.
Aham khadayam.
Aham khadeyam.
Khadeyam.
Yeah, aham khadeyam. I may eat or I should eat, like this. Okay. Shobhanam.
Te gachayu.
Te gacheyuhu. Okay. You should eat.
त्वम खादे है.
Shobhanam. Very good. Twam khade hai. Shobhanam. Rajiv ji, both of you can run.
युवाम धावतम.
Dhavetam.
धावेतम.
Yeah. Yuvam dhavetam. Okay. Lakshman ji, all of you should win.
यूयम जयेत
Jayeta.
जयेत
Jayeta.
यूयम जयेत
Ranjana ji, I may read a book.
Aham pustakam patheyam.
Aham pustakam patheyam. Shovanam. Okay. Rupa ji, may both of us cook. Pach.
आवाम
Pach.
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 पचे
Pacheva.
पचेव
Pacheva. Avam pacheva. We can run.
Vayam Vadema.
Okay, we can speak. You are saying. Okay.
Sorry,
Vayam
Vayam
vadema.
Davima.
Vayam dhavema. Shovanam. Shovanam. Srimati ji, Prakash should. What do you want to make Prakash do?
Prakasha
Pachit.
Pachet. Yeah.
Pachit.
Pachet.
Yep.
Na-
Prakasha pachet. Shovanam.
Na.
Prakash should cook.
Mm.
Shovanam. So once again, practice with me. Say khadet, khadetam, khadeyuhu.
खादे
Adi,
Khadetam,
Khaditam,
Khadeyuhu.
Khadeyuhu.
Okay, I'm using this one. Gach, gachehe, gachetam, gacheta.
गच्छेः गच्छेतं गच्छेत
Dhav, dhaveyam, dhaveva, dhavema.
Dhaveyam,
धावेव धावेव
Dhavema. Okay. So practice it as much you can. So you have already some books and something. Just find and try to learn. Last time we have discussed about the meaning of 7 cases.
विभक्ति.
What is called in Sanskrit case?
विभक्ति
विभक्ति.
Vibhakti. So literary meaning of vibhakti means division. So one word is divided by 7 cases. That's how every case is called vibhakti. And definitely because in Sanskrit there are 3 numbers, singular, dual and plural. So that's how it will become 7 cases plus the 8th one is addressing. So 8 multiply by 3 singular, dual and plural. So it will become 24 types of padas. Pada. I think you have to recall again Shabda and Pada. Bala is a Shabda. It's not usable. It's a raw word, root word. When you are using the word Bala as a part of a sentence, then it becomes Pada. So how to make a word to usable as a part of a sentence? Using through this vibhakti. So these 24 So bala can be used in 24 ways with different meanings, and every single part of the vibhakti is called pada. Like balah, balau, balaha. First case you have already learned. One boy, two boys, many boys. Balam, balau, balan. You already knew it. To one boy, to two boys, to many boys. So I think first case and second case is very much clear. Okay. Second case is used for object. First case is agent or doer, the person who is doing this. Now we'll learn little bit about third case. So tritiya vibhakti is used for karanam. Repeat, say karana.
Karanam.
Karana means instrument. So when you are using a particular word as an instrument, so you have to use tritiya vibhakti, third case, in that particular word, like hasta.
Hastena.
Hastena. The first we are going to repeat the prathama vibhakti, dvitiya vibhakti. Hastaha, hastau, hastaha. Clear?
Hastaha, hastau,
Hastau,
hastaha.
hastaha.
So dvitiya vibhakti, hastam, hastau, hastan.
Hastam, hastau, hastan.
So today we learn the tritiya vibhakti of hasta, and it is hastena, hastabhyam, hasteihi.
Hastena,
Hastena,
hastabhyam,
hastabhyam, hasteihi.
hasteihi.
Balena, balabhyam, baleihi.
Balena, balabhyam, baleihi.
Purushena, purushabhyam, purushaihi.
Purushena,
Purushabhyam,
purushaihi.
purushaihi.
Yehi.
Nayana,
Nayanena, nayana,
nayanabhyam,
nayanabhyam, nayanehi.
So what you need to remember, say ena, repeat ena,
Ena,
abhyam,
abhyam,
eihi.
Eihi.
Nayanena,
Nayanena.
nena,
nayanabhyam,
nayanabhyam,
nayaneihi.
nayanehi.
Hasta,
Hasta.
Hastena.
Hastena,
Hastabhyam.
Hastabhyam.
hasta,
Hasteihi.
hasteihi.
hasteihi. Okay. Mukham,
Mukhena.
Mukhena.
Mukhabhyam,
Mukhabhyam.
mukheha, mukhehi.
Mukhena.
mukheihi. Okay. Pada,
Padena. Padabhyam.
Abhyam, padehi.
padeihi. Karna,
Karnena.
Karnabhyam, karnehi.
karneihi. Patra,
Pareihi.
Patrena.
Patrena,
Patrabhyam.
patrabhyam, patrehi.
patrena, patrabhyam, patreihi. Okay. So we'll take one more. This is feminine. See, lata, late, lataha, bala, bale, balaha, latam, late,
Late,
lataha,
lataha.
balam, bale, balaha. So now tritiya vibhakti. Listen carefully first. Don't say anything. Lataya, latabhyam, latabhihi. So now say balaya,
Balaya.
Balaya,
balabhyam,
Balabhyam.
nasa, nasaya,
Nasaya.
Naya,
nasabhyam,
Nasabhyam,
nasabhihi.
Nasabhihi.
Okay. So now we learn how to make a sentence. Aham nayanabhyam pashyami. Is it clear? Aham nayanabhyam to pashyami. Aham mukhena khadami. Mukham singular, khadami. Danta, many dantas. Aham danteihi charvami. Charvami, chewing.
To chew.
Danteihi, many dantas. Aham danteihi charvami. Mukhena khadami. Nayanabhyam pashyami. Is it clear? You have to remember three things. Ena, singular. Abhyam, dual. Eihi, plural. Okay. So now tell me some sentences. What are you doing by what? Aham hastena khadami. Pada. Okay. I walk with my feet. Aham padabhyam
Padabhyam.
Aham
Padabhyam.
chalami.
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 Tvam katham shrinosi, Rupaji. Tvam katham shrinosi, Karna.
शृणोसि अहं कर्णेन शृणोसि
Karnabhyam,
कर्णाभ्यां शृणोसि
Shrunomi. Good. Okay. Prakash ji, Tvam katham khadasi.
Aham mukhina
Khadami.
khadami.
Khadami. Suppose you eat with a spoon. The spoon in Sanskrit, chamashaha. If you want to write, you can write chamashaha. Chamashaha. So answer me. I eat with chamach, spoon.
Aham
Chamashe khadam.
चमशेन
Chamashena.
Chamashen.
Chamashena khadami. Okay, Rajiv ji. I smell with my nose. In Sanskrit, nose, you know, Rajiv ji? What is nose? Nasa.
Nasa. Aham nasena jigrami.
Okay, so because it is a nasa ending, so
Oh,
it has
female
to
हो गया.
follow lata like this.
Nasaya.
Aham
Lataya.
nasaya.
Lataya. Nasaya. Because it is feminine. Ending feminine. So repeat again. Aham.
Aham nasaya jigrami.
So bana. Aham nasaya jigrami.
Acharya ji,
Yes.
Nasika, could we not use Nasika?
Yeah. Nasika, Nasa, both are right. And if you say Nasa, then Nasaya. Nasika, Nasikaya. Both are correct. Okay, Naresh ji. I taste with my tongue. You know the Sanskrit of tongue?
No, Acharya ji.
Okay. It is Jihva. Jihva.
Jiva.
Jihva. Jihva. And if you need little easy word, that is rasana. Rasana. Both are a ending, so they can follow bala word. I taste with my tongue. Jiva rasana.
Aham jivaya rasanami.
Okay, swadami. Swadami.
Swadami.
You can write swadami. Swad इसी से बना स्वाद. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना स्वाद मजा नहीं आया स्वाद.
Yep.
तो स्वाद
Taste.
coming from swad. Swadami. Aham rasanaya swadami. Jivaya swadami. Okay. So it's not so hard. It's very simple. Tritiya vibhakti. Rasana, rasanaya. Okay. Any doubt about third case?
Next practice.
In English, generally you use by, with, through, etc. Okay. So that's it for today. So we'll do the prarthana. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhani
Pashyantu.
Kaschit dukha bhavet.
Bhavet.
Om
Shanti,
Shanti.
Shanti.
Okay, namaste.
Namaste, Acharya ji.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और वीडियो अच्छा लगे लाइक भी जरूर करें।